Hi, welcome to Frederica's website. My name's Frederica. Today we're painting our house. It's gonna be pink.
Okay, paint away. You gonna say hi to everybody?
Hi, welcome back to Frederica's website.
You're still painting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How's it coming?
Yeah.
Good. And what do we need to know important about painting wood? With the green?
We always need to
Paint with the grain?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show them that. Now you're putting paint on it now, you're going to smooth it out with the grain, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's looking good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ooh, that happens a little bit. Don't wipe it on your shirt, sweetie. Alright, I think we need a little bit more paint for down there. What do you think? Yeah, the paint will dry and we'll get it off with water and soap. But we can't get it off your clothes.
That stinks.
There you go. Perfect. Outstanding. There you go. Now smooth out your grain. Outstanding. You're doing good.
Hi, welcome back to Frederica's website.
And what'd you do today?
We painted up our house.
Yeah, and what color did we paint it?
Pink.
Pink, huh? And how's it look?
Very good.
You think the birdies will like it? Yeah?
No, the boy won't.
The boy one won't? That's okay. They don't have...
The girl painted it.
Ah, okay. So, are we ready to say goodbye?
Got paint on my finger.
Well, we'll go clean up now. Sound good? So what do you say to everybody?